this is Shilpa Sakar, light language speaker and tarot card oracle card reader. I am here to give you an energetic weather update about the upcoming week through a oracle card reading so that you are able to navigate through the week and manifest your highest potential. Let's see what this upcoming week upholds for us. So the theme for the week is not for you in protection position. This is a warning sign for you that you are kind of leading your life through lower self-worth issues. You're chasing for the goals or people around which are not for you. So stop chasing them, pause, and reflect where you're compromising with your self-worth. Now let us see what is the obstruction energy for this week, and the obstruction energy is between the worlds. So this says that you are having conflicting thoughts or extreme thoughts regarding a situation, and you're not very clear yet as to what you really want, and this again is aligning with the self-worth issues. You're in between the worlds, one leg on in the water and the other leg is on the land. So right now, instead of oscillating between the extreme thoughts, it is recommended that you pause and you come again to your goals, restructure them, rearticulate them, and align them with your self-worth. Now let us see what is the foundation for the week is, and it is clean it up in the reverse position. So again, this card says that you are focusing too much on the other people and you're trying to clean their dirt, but cleaning their dirt is not your job. Cleaning your street is your job, right? So maybe the self-worth issues are coming up because there is a lot of pattern of unworthiness and undeservingness that needs to be cleansed and refocused in your life. So take time. So come back into your shell and start cleaning it, not other people's street. Now let us see what are the lessons that you have already integrated, and it is the card of Yang, which means you already have the experiences of executing your masculine power, of going and getting your goals manifested, right? But you have to use this Yang energy appropriately in alignment with the goals that are not compromising with your self-worth. Now let us see what is the highest potential this week holds for you, and it is time to go in protection position. So this card is a reminder that the situations for the next week are under the charge of destiny. You may think that situation, people, or pattern, or whatever your concern is has ended. It is not so. It has just taken a pause and it is going to reappear in your life. It has not gone completely. So also surrender and trust are required here, because destiny is in charge, and know that when you surrender, whatever the divine will manifest in your life will be for your highest good. Now let us see what is the highest potential. We have seen what was the highest potential this week is holding for you. Now we will see what is the outcome this week has for you, and it is milk and honey. So it is also bringing in good luck, sweet opportunities, good fortune, good news, provided you surrender, you focus on your self-worth, and you chase after the right goals in alignment with your self-worth. Now let us see what are the elements which are going to help you in the coming week. Awesome. So time for a nap. You really need to pause this week, come back to your shell, clean up your dirt, stop oscillating between the extreme thoughts, then higher power, surrender to your higher self, meditate, Ask for clarity, ask for guidance, and ask your angels and higher self to guide you towards the right goals and the right manner to execute your plan and achieve those goals. Soulmate cards says that the goals which you're chasing around could be around people or love relationships, so you really need to be very careful around the relationship goals. But at the same time, this also says the soulmates, who are our soul group, who can be our families, friends, animals. You can take their help, you can trust them, and you can take trust on their guidance regarding the issues that you will be concerned within the next week. No place like home. Again, this calls to feel safe within your own body, to feel safe within your own psychology, to feel safe within your own self, with your own self. So, the reminder from the spirit for you this week is a very clear, crystal clear message, which is to come back to your self, rely on your intuition, but at the same time do the cleansing which is necessary and rearrange your goals with respect to relationships, especially in the coming week. And I hope this reading gives you an energetic map for the coming week, and you are able to navigate with your challenges with love, grace, mercy, peace, and protection. Please do comment in this comment section and let me know if this reading resonated with you. Stay blessed and protected.